Welcome to Learn to Earn. Just so you know, I'm Dwight. A little bit about me: I'm on a mission to empower individuals such as yourselves who have struggled or continue to struggle with affiliate marketing. Unlike the noise, the rhetoric you often hear online, promises of overnight riches, quitting your day job, faking it till you make it, things of that nature, I believe in the power of genuine education and ethical affiliate marketing. I'm looking at my notes right now because I had a couple of things that I wanted to say to you guys with this intro video that I think were truly important, and I just want to get that out. I understand the frustrations and the disappointments that many newcomers face in the affiliate marketing world. The internet itself is filled with get-rich-quick schemes and exaggerated claims. We all know that. So I just feel that today is time for a different approach, one that starts from the ground up and focuses on true education, because I'll be honest with you, in this industry, you need to know exactly what you're talking about to fully understand it. Otherwise, you're not going to be successful. At Learn to Earn, okay, we are committed to providing you with valuable insights, in-depth knowledge, and ethical strategical strategies to succeed in affiliate marketing and other endeavors when it comes to the online businesses and so forth. And so I'm going to throw in a couple of other gems as we go along. We're not here to promise overnight wealth or ask you to fire your boss like you so often hear online, okay, especially without a solid plan. Instead, we're here to guide you through the affiliate marketing journey step by step, all right? This is the real deal. Let's be clear. This is the real deal. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Affiliate marketing success requires dedication, effort, and a genuine desire to learn and grow. Individual results, we're very dependent on your unique circumstances and the effort, of course, you put in. We're here to provide information, education, and coaching to help you along the way. So again, if this is not for you, I salute you. Thank you for stopping by, and I wish you the best of luck in your future endeavors. Just from a transparency and because of ethical practices that we truly believe in, from time to time we may introduce affiliate products or services that we feel genuinely and we believe in it generally, that can benefit you on your affiliate marketing journey. If you choose to make a purchase through our affiliate links, we may earn a small commission in order to keep the doors open. Okay, that's just being straightforward with you. It's important to know that we only recommend products or services that align with our commitment to ethical affiliate marketing. All right? So last but not least, let's just wrap this up. Again, this was just a small introduction. Your journey begins here, right? Whether you're a complete beginner, as I stated before, exploring the possibilities of affiliate marketing, or someone who's had a few false starts, here at Learn to Earn, we aim to be your source, your resource for practical, actionable knowledge. Our goal is to empower you with the skills, insights, and ethical practices you need to succeed. Again, this was just a small introduction. We wanted to stop by, introduce ourselves, and then we're going to start from the ground up, and we're going to start working. So without further ado, we just want to say thank you for joining us on this journey. Let's learn, grow, and succeed in this affiliate marketing space together, one step at a time. All right? Knowledge is power. I know it's an old adage. People have probably heard it for years, but it's definitely true. To be honest, training is the foundation of just about everything that we do. No matter what job or what career you're in, you're going to go through some type of training. My goal is to separate you from the amateurs and turn you into a pro. More to come. All right? Until then, peace and love.